Oh, what are we making today? Mr. Elf on the Shelf. Espresso Nut Biscotti. Are you going to help me make that? Okay. We got all the ingredients ready. Let's go. So we got the butter, the sugar, the lemon, and now we added the eggs and the vanilla, and we blend it all nicely together. Mix until blended. So now what we're going to do is we're going to take the flour, which I already mixed in the baking powder, cinnamon, and the espresso, and we're going to blend it into the batter slowly. Okay, we mixed everything together, and now we're mixing in the nuts and the chocolate chips. Okay, in the oven they go. Oh, I gotta check the biscotti. They look amazing. Okay, I gotta take these out. Beautiful. Where's my, oh. Duh. That looks amazing. Look at that. And then I'm gonna cut them up. See? That's my hazelnut espresso nut chocolate biscotti. Once they're cut up, they're going to be amazing. These have to go back in the oven. We have to put them back in the oven for 10 minutes, just to give them a quick roast. Look at that. They came out really nice, actually. And this is how you make Italian style biscotti. I made these with the espresso coffee, the chocolate chips, what is it called? Hazelnut. You can make them with almonds, and you don't have to put the coffee, but these are a specialty. Oh. Delicious, delicious, delicious! So if you're coming over for a coffee, you're going to get to try my biscotti. And they don't all fit on this tray to roast. I gotta get the other small tray. But otherwise they came out beautiful. Look at that. Okay. So those are ready to go. We'll see you in a bit.
These cookies, Mom, are too good. You outdid yourself this year. Even Bruce likes them. Isn't that right, Bruce? Yes, Mama, I love them.
How good are they, William?
Look, he wants more.
Oh. How good are they?
They're too good. They're too yummy.
Oh, okay. I gotta get the other batch out of the oven.
Ooh.
Let me see. Oh, snowball cookies. And here's my biscotti all ready. Look at that. This house smells like heaven. One more coming up.